Why search matters in digital note-taking.
Efficient search is the key to unlocking the true power of digital notes. As your collection grows, finding specific ideas or details can become overwhelming. Mastering search techniques ensures you can quickly retrieve important information, save time, and maximize productivity. Whether for work, study, or personal projects, learning to search well keeps your notes actionable and your thoughts organized.
Organize for better search.
Before searching, make your notes easier to find by using clear titles, tags, and folders. Consistent labels help you remember what you saved and allow your note-taking app's search function to work more effectively. Small habits like adding dates or keywords make a big difference in making future searches faster and more accurate.
Use search operators and filters.
Many note apps support search operators and filters to refine your results. For example, you can search by tag, by notebook, or within a specific date range. Try combining keywords or using quotation marks for exact phrases. Learning these simple tricks lets you narrow down results and quickly zoom in on exactly what you need.
Leverage optical character recognition, OCR.
Optical character recognition, or OCR, helps you find text in scanned documents or images within your notes. Apps like Evernote and OneNote often scan handwritten or printed text, making it searchable. This means receipts, whiteboard snapshots, or written brainstorms become just as easy to retrieve as typed notes.
Develop consistent search habits.
Make searching part of your regular workflow. Whenever you add new notes, think about the keywords or tags you might use to find them later. Periodically review your notes for consistency. Practicing these habits ensures you're always ready to quickly locate the information you need, no matter how large your digital library grows.
Combine search and linking for powerful recall.
Linking related notes together supports even faster recall. Many apps let you create connections between topics, projects, or ideas. Coupled with robust search techniques, linking allows you to uncover relationships and context, turning your digital notes into a truly interconnected knowledge base.